Just so we can see where we are so far with these rocker panels and cab corners. We got the passenger side rocker in place. Temporarily in place. We got the passenger side cab corner space cleaned out as best we could without taking the bed off or tilting the bed. I believe this is the passenger side replacement cab corner. Sheet metal for filling in extra. And what I do with it. We also got this one cut out and the rocker panel cut down the size already. It's on top of the truck, I think. Yeah, there we go. About to take them in the back and prime them. And then we also have, what the fuck did I do with the cab corner? Here we go. Driver's side cab corner cut out the size. We gotta grind off that EDP, I think it's called. Get it down to bare metal on both sides, about a 1/4 inch in from the edges, so we can tack it in place. We got to undercoat that. What's remaining of that factory inner rocker. The replacement inner rocker is out back, already primer coated. And the one for the passenger side is already primer coated and sitting in place. So hold on for a second, I'll take it down. I mean, this is horrible videography, but what the fuck? Doing this on the humbug. Hold, please. Alright. We got it in with 2. One there, temp, and one up here. So we'll take this one out first. Now we'll get this boy out. Alright. And voila. Just got some spot wheels on it. And a couple of spots that still got those zip screws in there until I get it all the way beaded in. Zip screws just holding it in place for what I need. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna take these inner rockers. I'm sorry, outer rockers. Y'all forgive me, man. I've been a little bit under the weather. It ain't no COVID or no shit like that. I just got a fucking head cold. So we're gonna take this to the back, prime it up, and more than likely it'll be tomorrow when I bring it and stick it back in place or whatever. honest, today I don't feel like fucking with it. I've been out here. I came out here earlier today for about 4 hours and cut those cab corners and trimmed up, you know, space for them and shit. Still got a little bit to trim out right there. So we getting there, man. We are getting there. I love bugger holes. It's holding them now. I could take the zip screws out and it still holds in place, so. But yeah, we getting there, so. Holler at y'all when I get it all reassembled.